Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today let's go over a medium question that I just solved on my own. So I tried solving this half a year ago, but I guess I just didn't read the instructions carefully enough, and that's why I failed. So after reading it a couple times, it made sense and I was able to solve it on my own. So pretty happy, and let's go over it. So you're given a positive array of integers nums of length n, and you want to find the largest possible perimeter of a polygon, or -1 if it's not possible. So we're going to return an integer. And basically, if you look at the examples, it's more clear. So 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, because 5 is less than the sum of everything else. And that's the biggest word it gets, because if you do 12, that's not less than the sum of 8, 10, 12. It has to be less than, right? 50 is not less than the sum of... So it's not less than the sum of everything else combined. So, okay. So let's just go ahead and sort this. And if you print nums, we will see. Okay, so basically what we want to do is iterate over nums from left to right. So basically, if you play around with it a little bit, you'll find out that what they want you to do is accumulate the sums. So let's call this cur is nums of I. Let's print cur and p plus equals to nums of I. And cool. So basically what they mean is if the current element has to be less than the accumulated sum, if it is, then you add them both together. So here, if the current sum is less than the accumulated sum, that's the last point it is, because 50 has to be less than 24. That's what I was talking about. Can't be bigger than 24. And if that's the case, then result, so if cur is less than p, strictly less than, then result is max of result and cur plus p. 5 plus 7 is 12. This is equal to, this is bigger than. Here, this is, none of them are less than. Left is never less than right. So in that case, if result is equal to 0, it didn't change from the beginning, then return -1 because it's not possible. Otherwise, return the result. So let's see what's going on. Cur is let's see here. Cur is less than p. Yep. Oh, sorry. P has to be done here. Otherwise, we'll mess it up because p doesn't take into account the first turn. And as you can see, so p is always 0 on the first turn because the only polygon, the only side is this. And again, it just takes playing around with it a little bit to see it. And yeah, so pretty simple, but kind of tricky, but I was glad I was able to solve it. I did have to look at the discussions and they told me to sort, but other than that, it's not too bad. So thank you for watching and stay tuned for more.